दोस्तों अभी हम पहुंच चुके हैं इंडियन पब्लिक स्कूल में। आप देख सकते हैं बच्चों के द्वारा यहाँ एग्जीबिशन लगाई गई है। हम स्टॉल नंबर 1 पर पहुंचे हैं और यहाँ कुछ बच्चे ग्रीन हाउस को लेकर के यहाँ स्टॉल लगाए हैं। तमाम जानकारी हम आपको देते हैं। Your stall name is?
Greenhouse.
You can explain about greenhouse.
Yes, sir. A greenhouse is a structure with transparent wall and roof that regulate temperature and humidity to grow plants. The greenhouse effect is the process by which greenhouse gases trap heat in the Earth's atmosphere. The greenhouse keeps the Earth at average temperature at 58 degrees Fahrenheit and 14 degrees Celsius. Without the greenhouse effect, the Earth's average temperature would be about 20 degrees Celsius. The main greenhouse gases are carbon dioxide, water vapor, nitrous oxide, methane and ozone. Thank you.
What its benefits?
Benefits protect the global warming and grow the plant. Sir, मैं भी बोल सकती हूँ speech.
You can explain about this system. How can it use?
This is a sun that used to grow plants and flowers to beautiful, so beautiful. And this is a light that sun consume a light. The light is a not perform not bigger light is same that yellow light. No, this is a white light to give a sunlight and give a sunlight to give a
Growing
plants and growing plants. That's
Thank you.
Thank you.
Your name is?
There is
Your class
3A.
3A. All of you class 3A.
Yes, sir.
Your team leader is?
This.
Name?
No, MD there is.
Your name? Your name?
Asadupal. My name is Arishad. My name is Shahzeb Tabi.
Thank you all of you.
Welcome.